Hello friends, welcome to Access Zombie Code. So this is the fifth video of the Angular series. In this video we are going to learn how to implement the tab in our project. Let me show you what we are going to do in this video. So you can see there are 3 tabs and inside the tab there are different value. So on click all the value and the tab select option was changed. So let's do that. So for the new project the syntax is ng angular 5 and the project name is tab implementation. So yes, I am using the SCSS for the style sheet. So the project is created successfully. Let's move inside the code. I open the terminal and install the Angular material. So the syntax is ng add Angular. I'll choose yes and the color theme is the color theme is indigo pink and yes. So Angular material also add in this project. Now let's go to the Angular module and add here the mat tab. The mat tab module is import from the Angular material tabs. After that, let's move inside the HTML file. So first I will delete all the things. The syntax is mat tab group. Inside the tab group there are some mat tab. So mat tab is panel1 and the label is fast, or I can give the name as home. Later I copy this and paste it here. See the second and third, and the label is contact and last one is about us. So let's check is it working or not. So the 3 tab is showing as per our code, and there are 3 tabs are present. So the transaction is moving so fast. I will also configure this. So let's configure that first. Here I add the animation duration, and I will slow this to 1500 ms. So it's mean 1.5 second. So let's check. So the transaction is slow. There are many more configurations for the Mat tab group. You can choose the header position and which one is select or on changes of the tab. If there is any method or event will be, you can bind. So that's it.